Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to make zombies. For this tutorial we're gonna use this action script. So with just one click, actually 3 or 4 clicks, we're gonna recreate one wonderful zombie. So after you install the action for Photoshop, you can check my previous video how to install it, how to run. We're gonna click it. You don't have to create any layers, just click it. It will give you step by step what to do next. So you need to press stop, paint your skin area and press play key again. Okay, let's do it. They will give you automatically the brush. So just paint the skin of the face. Okay. Then without touching anything, just click play. Stop, left eye, play. Ok, quindi we'll just paint the left eye and play. Stop, right eye. Ok, play. Stop, and the mouth. Ok. Alright, that's all. So now, if those levels are too strong, you can lower the opacity. In fact, I don't like this too strong. I like to see more of the eyes, for example. I want to see something like that. So I will lower the opacity of the eyes. And maybe, let's see the mouth. Yeah, I want maybe the mouth a little... No, the mouth, I like the mouth very bloody. Maybe the skin will just lower the opacity. Alright, that's all. So you have your photo of your zombie. Let's do another example because it's better. I did some tests and it's better if the mouth is open and you can see the teeth. So let's do it again. Press play. Colorize the skin area. Okay, please play, left eye. Play, right eye. Play. Okay, play. Yeah, I like better because you can see the teeth, bloody teeth. Okay, so that's all. Of course, if you want to see more eyes, just lower the opacity. I mean, you can even remove it, maybe just like that, or just have a little bit. Okay, and the skin and the mouth. That I like that. Your photo. This one too. But then you can play around with the level. But that's all. That's all how you can create yourself as a zombie or anybody else. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe to the channel. Give me a comment if you have any question. See you later for another great tutorial.